Yep, so guys, let's try to fix TeraBox, which is a cloud storage, not working. So if your TeraBox is not working, I mean, when it's not opening, it's not loading, you know, when you find it difficult to try to reach it and it's not reaching, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu, and then you just search for Google Play Store. So let's try to. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it. Then you search for TeraBox on this Google Play search engine. Then after searching on it, you're going to get the results. Then tap on it, and you're going to find the cloud storage app, which is TeraBox. So after that, you have to check when you can see or you can find open at this section. Then it means you are just you have been updated, and when you cannot find open but you're seeing update, just tap on it. But before you tap on it, you have to make sure your data or Wi-Fi is on. So after that, you have to wait. It's going to move from pending to zero, then it moves from 0 to 100, and it gets reinstalled on your device. So after it's been reinstalled, just go back to your phone menu again. Then you just have to scroll and search for your settings app. So as you can see, this is my setting apps. So just sorry, let me um okay. So this is my setting app. So you click on the setting app, and what you have to do is to search for apps and preference or apps and notification. Then you tap on it. After tapping on it, you have to wait. You're going to see or apps, or you're going to see or find app list. So you so as you can see, I have see your apps over here. You tap on the see your app, then you scroll down to the downmost to the T section, where you're going to find TeraBox at the T section. So TeraBox is going to be around this place. So this TeraBox, when you find it, just tap on it. Then tap on the first stop. After that, tap on OK. Tap on notification. Make sure it's toggled on, and go back. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Other phones, you're going to see mobile data restrictions. Then make sure the background data is turned on. After that, you have to check your permissions, which is very important. Which you have to allow everything. So I have allowed camera, and I've also allowed what contact, and lastly, I'm going to allow the storage. So after allowing this, I'm really done, bro. So after doing all this, you are done. So lastly, you have to tap on your power button for some seconds, and you are going to see restart. Then you tap on OK. When you're not finding restart, you're going to see reboot, and then tap on OK. When you are not seeing restart and reboot, just turn your phone off, then you turn it on again. So thanks very much. This is how to fix the problem. If it's not working, please let me know in my comment section, and don't just mean no, like just typing not working. Just explain it to me. Maybe you have to say, um when I try to reach the app, it gives me this pop-up message, and you type in the message and you put it in quotes for me to really get it well explained. After that, I'm going to do a video for you. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Okay.